One of the biggest challenges I see is that traditional utility rates have been tied to consumption, whereas the customer's bill is largely dependent on their use of the energy from the grid. Distributed energy resources and the need for the consumers to still rely on the grid as a backup do not align with that model. So one of the challenges I see is evolving the way we look at rates, the way we look at return on fixed assets and recovery on assets, so that utilities can allow new technologies such as distributed energy resources onto the grid and more embrace them. So the challenge now is for utilities to make investments today that they can then position themselves down the road to take advantage of as policies and rates catch up to technology. So at Landis+Gyr, our approach is to provide a foundation of technology so that the utility can get a positive return today and position themselves for the future as those rates and policies do evolve. I think the grid looks much different than it does today, certainly as things like energy storage and those technologies are proven out. I definitely see additional distributed energy resources coming onto the grid kind of at a higher rate. 10, 20 years down the road, our relationship with that utility must look much different because their business will look much different. I see ourselves continuing to transform into that trusted advisor role where we're helping strengthen the relationship with the utility and the prosumer.